Welcome back. Now the Midday Sports Roundup.
Jamaica Scorpions captain John Campbell has been handed a 4-match suspension for not turning up for the toss against Barbados Pride, which resulted in the recent regional Super 50 final being forfeited. Campbell said he sincerely regretted the incident in a statement put out by Cricket West Indies. The Super 50 final was forfeited under extraordinary circumstances when neither captain appeared for the toss in a rain-hit contest. The umpires had deemed conditions to be fit for a 20 overs a-side match, but with neither captain making an appearance, no trophy was awarded for the 2024-2025 edition. The fate of Barbados Pride captain Raymond Reefer, who faces similar charges, has not yet been decided by the disciplinary committee, as he's yet to respond to the charges leveled by match referee Rayon King. The board has confirmed that no match fees will be distributed for the final, and neither would prize money meant for the tournament's winners and runners-up be awarded. The 2024 ISA Manning Cup champions will be crowned today. 16-time winners Kingston College will square off with first-time finalists St. Catherine High at 6:15 p.m. at the National Stadium. Vassar Reynolds, head coach of the North Street-based Kingston College, believes once his players deliver their best performance to date, the trophy will be theirs.
Very confident. The vibes is quite okay. They too are relaxed and looking forward to the big clash come tomorrow.
St. Catherine High will be aiming to add the Manning Cup title to the Walker Cup crowns they lifted in 2019 and the 2021-2022 season. Head coach of the Light Blues, Anthony Patrick, credits the effort of his players for getting to the final.
We have been here before. Last season, we just missed out in the semi-final last season by Casey by just a hard goal. But we end up with the same points, but just a hard goal put them in over us in the semi-final. But definitely we are here in the final now, and we are here against a KC, a traditional school, but we're ready to make a mark.
The match will follow the final of the Walker Cup, which will see Excelsior battling last season's Manning Cup champions Mona High at 3 p.m. Defending All-Ireland champions Home Technical have secured the rural area netball double after winning both the ISA Under-19 and Under-16 titles on Thursday at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Homewood actually retained the Under-19 title with a 38-30 victory over Denby High in the final. And Homewood's Under-16 team had earlier secured top honours with a 21-16 win over defending champions Manchester High in what was a repeat of last year's final. Meanwhile, St. Catherine High captured their third straight urban area Under-19 title with a 32-24 win over the Queen's School. The St. John's Road-based school led all quarters 11-3, 20-12 and 23-16. Meanwhile, Woolmer's girls took the urban area on the 16 crown after beating St. Hugh's 27-21 in their decider. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.